Food manufacturers know that pasteurisation and sterilisation are indispensable in treating food products, making them critical within the food processing industry. Hi, I'm Tim Webster for Industry Update Video. ThermoPro pasteurisers and sterilisers from Teralba are designed to flash pasteurise food and beverage products. This enables the food to retain maximum colour and flavour while destroying or deactivating organisms and enzymes that result in spoilage. The range is available from Teralba Industries, an established Australian manufacturer specialising in heat transfer systems, mixers and processing equipment. Teralba pasteurisers and sterilisers treat viscous, sticky and chunky products from chutneys through to whole fruit yogurts, jams and purees using proven dimple flow heat exchangers. Plate heat exchangers are used for heating and cooling media to provide complete turnkey packages. The pasteurising system can be connected to the site service such as steam, chilled water and glycol, while aseptic, UHT, that's ultra high temperature, and HTST, high temperature short time, configurations are available. Most ThermoPro pasteurisers include energy recovery, which use indirect regeneration to maintain absolute integrity of the product. Up to 90% of energy can be reused, which reduces the overall energy consumption, maximising the return on investment. For more details on the ThermoPro pasteurisers and sterilisers, go to teralba.com. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.